easy Ulta haul. I am using my phone because I am in a rush to go to a study group and I definitely wanted to film this. And also in the same type of setup, I actually found another video clip, and it was when I did a Bath & Body Works haul. So I thought maybe I could just insert that clip at the end of this video and it could be like a combined haul, and I thought it'd be kind of fun for you guys to watch. And so if you guys are interested in seeing what I got from Ulta, which is it's a pretty good haul, I would say, keep on watching. Okay, so here's the backstory from Ulta. I have been running out of a ton of my things, and I just kind of been waiting because like it's hard to spend a lot of money on like high price makeup items, and like these are things like primers and foundations, like things that are pricey. And so I waited, and then thankfully Ulta came in clutch and they had a 20% off on their prestige makeup items. And so here we are, let's do this haul. So the first thing I got is some Pssst dry shampoo, and the reason I got these two, if you can see, is because they are $5 and they're buy one get one half off. And usually I use a Batiste dry shampoo and I absolutely love it, but it was not buy one get one free, and then I had the 20% off on top of that. And so I was like, you know what, I've heard good things about this, let's try it out. And so I got the unscented one, which I really like. My dry shampoo has a scent, but this has argan oil in it, and I thought that'd be just like healthy for my hair. But then also I got this one, which is in sugarberry. I still like my Batiste smelling ones better, but I thought these would come in clutch, and I'm interested to see if I like them better because they are cheaper. Then also Batiste, it's Batiste, not Bartiste. I did get a mini Batiste one because I use this in my like travel stuff, and I am always going from my house to here, and so I ran out of my mini dry shampoo and needed another one, and you know, it was like 20% off. Yes, so did that. And then everything else I got are pretty fun and exciting. So I first needed an eyeliner, and I usually get the Kat Von D from Sephora one, but I was in Ulta and I got the Stila Stay All Day Waterproof Liquid Eyeliner, and I've heard some like really good things about this, and so I was like, you know, let's try it. And I walked around the store and like swatched all the liquid eyeliners, and this one definitely seemed the most vibrant. I have like makeup swatches already on my hand, so I apologize. But look at how like pigmented that is, and that's all the way over there. So I'm excited to try this one out. So I got that, and that's an intense black. And then I got, no way, I gotta save this for a minute. Next, I got this, and this is the Becca primer, and this is something I've gotten before, and I don't know if it's amazing, but I used the Fenty one, and I didn't see a huge difference. And honestly, like, if I'm being real, it smells absolutely amazing. I just love how it smells, so I wanted to pick up another one of these. So I got the Becca First Light Priming Filter Instant Complexion Refresh. I probably should have gotten the tan one. I've heard that one might be better for my skin, but I just really like the smell, and it's a primer, so I repurchased this one. I didn't think I was going to repurchase it, but it happened. And then these are the two really exciting items. So I got the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, finally. If you guys saw the blindfolded makeup challenge, you saw how I was like really hype about it. So I had to get one of these, and this is in the shade medium, and hopefully like these shades match me. I haven't really had the chance to like play around with it or test it out, and I have swatches everywhere, but that's what it looks like. And then hopefully, you know, with us blending it in, it is going to be a perfect match for my skin. I don't know, you guys don't even care. The lighting kind of sucks right now, but I got that. And then the other thing that I'm not going to do a swatch of, because I want you guys to watch a review video that I'm hopefully going to do. I'm like debating it, but I really kind of want to. And it is the Tarte High Performance Shape Tape Foundation. That's right, it came out in stores today, and so this is like one of the biggest things I've been wanting, like I've been waiting for it. And I ended up getting the moisturizing one, the hydrating one, but I was not going to originally. I was going to get the matte one, but the matte one just looked really cakey in my opinion, like from when I swatched it, and this color seemed like it would match me a lot better also. And so I'm interested to see how this works, but maybe I could do a first impression with this. We'll see. I had to decide if I'm going to do a video. But that is my haul from Ulta. Honestly, there are a lot of restock items, but they're all good brands that I either have tried and loved, or products I've never tried before and are like super hyped up, you know what I'm saying? And so I just kind of wanted to post this out there. Hallelujah. Thank you, Ulta, for the Prestige. 20% off. I appreciate you. You don't know how much you saved me. Thank you. But if you guys want to see the Bath & Body Works unboxing, just keep on watching. Hey everyone, so I wanted to include this at the end of my vlog. I really couldn't wait to open this. So basically, I have a package from Bath & Body Works. This was a stress package I ordered when Bath & Body Works were having a ton of sales and when I was in the middle of finals. So here we go. Beautiful. I hate the extra paper and wrapping stuff. Oh, these are packaged so nicely. Look. Look at that. They're candles. So I got 3 candles, I'm pretty sure. But they're like, they don't break. Very nice. Okay. I hate the feeling of cardboard though. How do I get it out? So these are originally $24.50 and I think I got them for like $8 each. So the first one I got is Cozy Warm Cup of Cocoa. Let me just tell you, it is really hard to order candles when you are not at the store. But yes, I think I smelled this one at the store before and it just literally smells like hot chocolate. But so like that's gonna be, you know, going on here. But I'm going home today. I'm going back to my house. So I might just take like 1 candle with me to burn there. Okay, next candle. Soft. Okay, Pink Petal Tea Cake. So the reason I picked this is because I love floral scents and I thought of rose when I heard pink petal. So let's see how this smells. It's actually really light. It smells like a body splash maybe. I'm not mad at it. It's not like amazing, but like I can do this. I got this. Okay. And then next one. Oh, it has a little Christmassy lid. It's cute. Winter Candy Apple. I forgot which scents I ordered, but been absolutely obsessed with this because I got it in the hand soap, and every time I wash my hand or wash my beauty blenders, because I use my hand soap sometimes to wash my beauty blender, it smells like this. So I'm really excited about this. I might have to take this one home with me because I'm probably gonna take this one home. But yeah, that is all I got from Bath & Body Works. Okay guys, so this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked both of my unboxing videos, or my hauls, I guess you could call them. Let me know if you guys want me to do more videos like this where it's just more casual and like after I go somewhere I don't, you know, necessarily have to set up like the whole camera thing where I can just film on my phone. It's just some content and something fun for me to share with you guys. So let me know if you guys want to see those in the future. If you have any questions, of course, leave it in the comments down below. And you know, while you're down there, you can give this video a big thumbs up. It would mean a ton to me. And hit that subscribe button. There is a bell icon, notification button you can click every time I post, which is weekly. And so until next time, I will see you then. Bye guys!